Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to reboot the phone in Redmi. So before I start the video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. So let us start the video. So first of all, you have to press the button from here. You have to press this one for a little bit longer. So you can see here airplane mode, silence, reboot and power off. So you have to press this reboot. So you have to press it again. So you have to wait for a minute. So the phone has been rebooted. So before you leave the video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.